Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm good too. Can you please tell me about your work experience?
My work experience is I'm a teacher, and at the same time, I'm a caregiver and a nanny.
What are your duties and responsibilities on that job?
My duties and responsibility is I teach the children. Then, at the same time, I do household. I take care of the kids. I do the homeworks, and at the same time, I teach them. Uh, I, I I I stay with them I stay with them if their parents is not around.
And after that, what are your work experience?
My work experience is I teach in the Philippines for almost 5 years, and I do nannies and for almost 4 years already.
And who is your present employer?
My present employer is a Chinese national,
How long did
and
you work for this family?
I work for them almost 1 year and 2 months.
Why you are looking for a new employer and find another job?
I'm looking for a new employer and find another job because my husband is working here in Abu Dhabi.
How much salary are you looking for?
Uh, just 2,000 dirhams.
Your favorite task, is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
My favorite task is cooking.
What type of food can you cook?
I can cook Western Chinese food.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
If she keep on crying,
The employer is not in the house, and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you will do?
well, the first thing I will do is to check the temperature of the baby, and at the same time, if she's still not feeling well, I call a doctor.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is cooking and teaching.
How many years do you want to stay here in UAE?
I want to stay for almost 5 years.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you will trust me, I do my best to to serve you.
Thank you, nice talking to you, and have a good day.
Welcome.